Welcome to Tablescape Tuesday. This is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor every Tuesday, and today's theme is Blue Chinoiserie. Okay, here is my blue and white china that was my grandmother's. And I have a white vase with some pretty blue and white flowers. Okay, I'm going to start with the little dessert plate here. It is from Mayotte. This is very old. I'm guessing 50 years. You can actually see the age line in it. So I treasure these dishes very much. They did belong to my grandmother, so I cherish them. And then here I have a Dolly Parton placemat with my gold and silver knife and fork. And here we have the Mayotte matching cup and saucer. And it is the Forget-Me-Not pattern. And I have a wine glass here and another wine glass. I think these are very pretty, and they do make for a beautiful table setting. And I have a crystal candle holder with a blue spiral candle in it, and that little cloche there for butter or anything small can be placed in it. And I do want to mention also that I recently got these new slip covers from Amazon. It was a package of 4 in a ivory color. And they are water repellent, so I really like them. Especially when I have messy grandkids come to visit. Okay, so here's an overview of my blue and white china that was my grandmother's. And the Dolly Parton placemats. Those were purchased at the Dollar General. But I think the Forget-Me-Not pattern is so pretty. And another look at the centerpiece. Beautiful blue and white flowers. Most of those were probably purchased at the Dollar General as well. So I thought that made for a very pretty tablescape. I do love the blue and white. I've recently been collecting more blue and white china, but this was the first that I inherited. So I like to showcase it whenever I can. And it is a beautiful day. I love the way the sun is shining through the window. The knife and fork collection, I did order that from Amazon as well. I think it's very pretty. I like the gold and silver together. Now I will be lighting the candles toward the end of the video, so stay tuned for that. And I thought I'd take you over to my side table where I do have a blue and white teapot that I've made into a flower arrangement with tulips and hydrangeas. And then my Easter egg tier tray with a little teapot, a little apple-shaped teapot, and some lavender flowers in this farmhouse pitcher. And then I have my shelving unit with the cups underneath it. And I did paint it with chalk paint where the mirror was. I just think it looks so much better. And I did use a stencil at the top of it. And all my cups. and bunnies for Easter. Okay, I want to thank everyone for watching. Now be sure to check out the playlist and leave everyone a nice comment and a like. See you next time. Bye-bye for now.